What's up everyone? Today I have yet another Japanese high pin count lock. This time it's the Agent LS5. It's a 12 pin lock that has all of these pins are security pins, tiny little mushrooms, and it has one more ball bearing that provides some center bias to the core and makes it not turn that much without the key inserted, because if you have like all of the pins in the lock are like spools or mushrooms, the lock would have a lot of slop. So thanks to this ball bearing it does not have so much slop. So we have pins coming at us from two directions this time, from left and right. Here we can see the plug. There is a little bit of over milling in there, I noticed, but I actually did not feel it. It maybe something, maybe it does something, but it was not definitely too like. It did not add too much difficulty, in my opinion. What was difficult in this lock, at least for me, was navigating the keyway, because the key pins are pretty like cramped together. You know, it's difficult to make your way inside of the lock. So what I had to do was I had to use a very like the smallest dimple flag I have, this Pux L, and I found out that it's better to start like from the back of the lock and make my way towards the front than the other way around. I don't know, maybe it was just the case of this lock, but for me it was easier like that. So the pin chambers are not like aligned. If you compare the left and the right side, they are not in line. I don't know how to say it properly, but they are not against each other. The key pins, they go like one on the right, then a little bit further is one on the left, and so on. So I guess you can even make a 360 with this lock, but I don't recommend it. Don't take my word for it. Anyway, I use this flag to pick it. Basically, some of these chambers have really like kind of deep spools, so you want to try to pick these first so you don't drop them later when you try to pick the shallower spools. That was like my approach, but honestly it did not matter that much. This lock doesn't have too great tolerances. It's a pretty decent lock anyway, but nothing like some goal locks or I don't know, this West 917 or something like that. Anyway, it was a very enjoyable pick because these pins give a lot of feedback. They are all security pins, so you kind of know what's happening inside. And yeah, what else there is to say? Yeah, for tensioning, I was using one of the tensioners from the multi-pick champion set because it fits real nice in here, and it actually created a platform for my flag, so I use that to my advantage. So it was like 2-in-1. You don't need like super snug tensioner, but it definitely helps, like always. And one more thing that is nice, this log is really like easy to gut, because these slide-level Bible covers are, I think they are free like from stock. You don't have to do any uncrimping or something like that. It's just the way it is. You can just push them out without any significant damage or stuff like that. Okay, well, I guess there's not too much else to say about this lock, so let's go ahead and get it picked. Okay, let's go. Let's try the key. It works. Some tension. And where's the flag? Where's the flag? Here it is. Okay, I'm actually gonna start at the back on the left side, a couple of high lifts there on 6 and 5. Okay, some min lifts or zero lifts in here, so I'm just gonna make my way out of there and hope for the best. Okay, now one on the right. Huge counter rotation, got him. 2 on the right, got him set. 1 on the left seems good, and so does 2 on the left, so let's continue with the right side. Nothing on 3. Four seems okay. 1, 2, 3. Four and 5. Okay, let me just check this side real quick, because nothing was binding on the right side. Okay, maybe I just missed something. Yes, it was 5. Okay, I think I got him. Let's see what we dropped in the process. Those 2 on the right. Not sure if I set 5 properly though. Maybe now. Let's check the... Okay. Okay, check the left side and the log is open. Alright. That was kind of quick. So let's cut it. This is actually one of the friendliest and very easy to gut locks. Being a high pin count lock, these are usually very annoying to gut, but this one is kind of friendly. So basically there are these very easily slidable covers, so it's not a problem. Okay, so I'm working on the right side now. So I think this is 6, right? And there's a ball bearing. I'll just put it here. Should be 5. Why is my tweezers just suddenly magnetic? There's 4. Keeping is not cooperating. There he goes. Okay. 3. Okay, that one just got launched into my keyboard. But I know the location, more or less. Hello? Okay, that's one way to do it. And approaching now. There he goes. Not sure what's his problem now. Okay, I'm just gonna finish this removal. Oh, wait, there's more. I think I fucked up the counting. Why did I think there are like 6 on each side? That's weird. That's a whoops from me. That's a big yikes. I must have got confused by the number of pins. I never got it this lock completely, so I wasn't paying attention, I guess. Okay, but this guy still I don't wanna go out. This is one. Hello. Okay. This is 2. Still waiting for the keeping to go out. There he goes. And chamber 3. Okay, looks like he's cooperating now. But not the keeping. Why not, dude? That's better. Okay, and now the left side. So an empty chamber here, I remember that, yes. So this is 6 then. What if I remove the springs first? Will it be easier? I will see. Should be. Unless I forget to cover the chambers and just remove all of the pins at once. That would be nice, right? Okay, so let's start from 1. Oh god, oh, but we used the flag. Where's the driver? Okay, I see him. Four coming up. Two more. 5. And 6. Oopsie, and the core goes out. Okay. Why not? Let's extract the core as well. And we have to lock. Successfully got it. Alright. Little zoom on the pins. There they are, and the spring is. Let me see if I can. I see him. I see him. I see the spring. Where's the magnet? I don't know. I will try to take the spring. Okay, I have it. There. All the springs are in place. Okay. So, yeah. We managed to get it in a reasonable amount of time. So, thank you for watching and see you next time.